How do you respond to pricing war? How to handle competitor brands with significantly cheaper price?
Welcome to Business and Management Podcast.
Hello my friends, how are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. Today, we are diving into the intriguing topics of how to handle price competitors and the pricing war. You know, those brands that significantly have lower price. They may have a lower marketing budget, copycat innovations, a leaner cost structures compared to other bigger competitors. But fear not, we are here to unveil the secrets of overcoming this challenge. Let's start by first understanding these low-price competitors. Do not underestimate them or just assuming that their product is inferior. We should keep trying to identify how our product can match their cost. Let's put ourselves in their shoes and analyze their cost structure. How much do their product cost to produce? What are their operating expenses? How much do they spend on marketing? What pricing strategy do they use? And what is their operating margin? We can find some answer through the publicly available information, such as the annual financial report or other publications. Then, let's benchmark our own costs versus theirs and identify any opportunity to cut expenses. For example, maybe our packaging is just too expensive compared to the lower price competitors, while our consumers, our target market, does not really care about the fancy packaging. The key is to recognize any weaknesses, any opportunities to cut costs in our own system. Let's understand what trade-offs the competitors are willing to accept that enable them to price their brand at such a low price point. Are they accepting lower profit margins? Are they allocating their budget differently across different marketing activities? Playing on our strength is crucial. Do not take the bait and abandon what makes us unique just to match their lower pricing. After conducting our benchmarking study, we should know what makes our brand unique compared to the competitors. We should know by now what are our competitive advantages. It could be by offering significantly superior products, or having a massive advertising campaign, or a steady stream of innovation. Let's capitalize on our strength and let's stay true to our brand identity. Create a sub-brand or a specific variant to fight against this lower price competitor. This can be an effective tactic to challenge the lower price competitor without changing the business model overnight. This could mean creating a new sub-brand or specific variant that is priced low enough to match the competitor's pricing. This will allow us to directly confront the lower price competitor without jeopardizing our bigger base business. Leveraging the strength of the core brand is crucial to equip the new sub-brand to fight against the competitor. This is called borrowing from the big brother tactic. This tactic may involve allocating additional marketing budget for the lower price brand. We can also use the market research data to benefit the lower price brand. And our lower price brand can also tap into the core brand's innovation pipeline. Now is your turn. How do you respond to the pricing war initiated by cheaper brands? Please share your thoughts in the comment sections below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, then please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.